Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to put a link in Instagram story. If you're using Instagram and you want to put links to your Instagram story, so let's see how can you do that. So very first I recommend you have to try to update your Instagram app to prevent issues. So open your app store or play store and you have to simply go for search. You have to search for Instagram and you have to make sure that you haven't done any pending updates for your Instagram app. If you find trying to update your app, so after updating, you just have to go back and here open your Instagram app. So once your update has been completed, open your Instagram app and here just tap on your plus story option and here just select this camera option here, then tap on create and create section. You just have to tap on your sticker option, then select links. Once you have selected link, you just have to paste your copied link here, or you can also enter any link here. So here, if you want to paste a link, just tap on it option and this cursor here, and then select paste. And once you have pasted your link, just tap on this done option. So once you have done, it will be added to your Instagram story. You can reshape it, recolor it, or you can also resize it. So I've changed its colors, and now I'm going to resize it using shift two fingers. You can also move this. Once you have done, just tap on this your story option. It will be shared as your own story. Now just tap on your story here and just tap on the link, then down with the link. So it will open the web page of your link is. So in this way, you can easily put a link into your Instagram story. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.